To set up, first you will want to arrange the right credence table, which is located far away from the tabernacle. Everything can be set up on a wooden tray and then brought out to the table. You need to fill the metal pitcher with water from the sink. Make sure the metal basin is empty and dry, and put them both on the tray. Then put a folded towel next to them. These can be found in the first drawer. Then you can bring the tray out to the credence table. The second credence table has a little bit more on it. First you want to set up Father's chalice. This is the fancy yellow cup found in the cabinet on the right. On top of it, you will drape a purificator, also found in the first drawer. Above that, you will put the pall and then the corporal, both of which should be found in the same cabinet as the chalice. You can carry the whole setup using two hands out to the left credence table. The left credence table also needs two ciboriums. These will be used later in the Mass, so they can be placed near the back of the table. You're also going to need two silver chalices, each with a rolled-up purificator inside. Finally, put the water cruet on the table. This should be found in the refrigerator, in the same cabinet as the small olives. If it's not full all the way, you can fill it with water from the refrigerator. The last part of setting up is putting the gifts on the credence tables. The gifts consist of the wine cruet and the chalice ciborium. The wine cruet should be found in the refrigerator. If it's not full, you should fill it with the wine in the refrigerator. The ciborium should be filled with hosts, which can be found in the left cabinet. Ask Father how many hosts you should put in the ciborium, as it may vary depending on how many people are at the Mass, and how many hosts are in the tabernacle. Bring the ciborium and wine cruet down the aisle and put them on the table at the end.